Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hi Deepa, welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, I'm great. And Rajiv is playing a very good game. How are you enjoying the show and what do you think of his game?
Raju बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है. We're so happy with him. बहुत proud feel कर रहे हैं हम. The show is doing amazing. It's so entertaining and fun to watch. And Raju's game is brilliant. He's actually doing us so proud. We're so amazed by what he's doing and how he's coping with everything. So yeah, we're really happy and proud of him.
Yeah, and the way he is actually taking stand for himself, he's speaking where it's necessary. What do you want to say?
वो बहुत dignity से खेल रहा है और we're so proud about that. You know, he's not slamming anyone or belittling anyone in any way. So we're proud. You know, my mom especially, she's glued to the TV, missing her son immensely. You know, but she and even I and my rest of our family, we're all just proud of the way he's conducting himself. And to us, that was very important. हमने बात की थी before he left about the show and you know etc. Where we're from and etc. And he said, "Don't worry, I've got this," and he really has got this. So we're just superly proud of him.
There was an incident last week when actually the host of the show, Salman Khan, took Rajiv's side and he blasted Pratik for his misbehavior, the way he was cracking below the belt jokes. Even Rajiv got emotional during few instances. Was it very emotional for the family also to see your son, your brother crying on the national television and because he was getting bullied?
I don't know if bully is the right word. I think it's been used quite harshly in this situation. I think Pratik probably just didn't know how far he'd gone and usko pata nahi tha कि वो कितना hurt कर रहा है और they're in a house that sab saath mein hai 24/7 or he probably just didn't realize he was going too far and hurting someone's feelings. I couldn't say more thank you to Salman Khan for supporting my brother and telling him that next time just tell him that you're not happy. I think Raju's taken that on board. And I think it was just boys being boys and messing around and taken out of context, but bullying is a strong word. I think they were just messing around. You have to remember they're in a house all together all the time. We see snippets and 24 I know, but we see snippets. It was hard for us, but we understood it's a game and we didn't think bad of Pratik. We just thought they're messing around and it got taken a bit too far, but we're okay with it. We're okay.
Also, we saw which was not actually telecasted in the episodes. Actually, Rajiv and Pratik had already sort out their differences and Pratik had apologized to him, which wasn't aired on TV. So there were a lot of Pratik fans who felt that the comments that host told him were a little bit harsh, what you were also saying. Do you think they had already sorted their issue and it wasn't needed to be taken up on Weekend Cover?
No, I think that Salman Khan did the right thing by addressing it. I think it's something that needed to be aired. Although उसने बात की थी और उसने sort out किया था सब, still it was something that needed to be addressed because there's been not just one incident, there's been loads of incidents. So I think everybody in that सब लोग को सुनना पड़ा. They had to listen that this everyone should take into consideration how far they're saying things. So they was directed at one person, but I think the whole house took it on board. So I think it was the best thing to do. और Pratik का fans को दुख लगा है, fine, but उसने गलती भी की थी और Rajiv should have said it and he understands now that next time he will. और ऐसा होता रहता है house में. They're together all the time, so I don't think anyone should be offended. Kudos to them for sorting it out, and kudos to Salman's side for addressing it and making it everyone aware of be careful of people's feelings,
Yeah, right. And also, we saw during the episodes, there are a lot of people who feel that Rajiv is acting or Rajiv is saying things under the influence of Shamita. But we have seen that there have been many instances where Rajiv has gone ahead and done things which Shamita didn't actually want him to do. So
Yeah.
you think that what is your take? Do you really think that he's playing under Shamita's influence?
Right. So yeah, ये बहुत सब लोग बोलते हैं ये सब. और you have to remember, everyone needs to remember कि शमिता दीदी और राजीव का रिश्ता पुराना रिश्ता है. Yeah, राजीव का रिश्ता और शिल्पा दीदी का रिश्ता पुराना रिश्ता है, फैमिली का रिश्ता है. हम लोग, you know, we all know each other. आंटी को भी हम जानते हैं, मेरी मम्मी और आंटी कितना close है. So it's a relationship from before.
Yeah.
Rajiv is maintaining that relationship. वो इसकी बहन, like me, he would remain obviously with me, same, maintaining it with her. But he's also playing the game. You've seen, as you just said, वो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है और agree नहीं करता है, तो he doesn't agree with her all the time. He says, दीदी ये मुझको ये ठीक नहीं लगता है, ये बंदा नहीं ठीक लगता है, उसके नहीं किया है उसका. You know, he says it pretty straight up. He's not scared of her, but you know, they're following the same path. Maybe they agree on all the same things. There's nothing wrong with that. But uska puppet nahi hai. Rajiv's a very strong character, or he's playing the game like he wants to play, but also having respect for his sister. And I think that's very good because he's not disrespecting her and, you know, trying to win by forming alliances with everybody and going against her. He's maintaining relationship, being respectful, but also playing his game. Because he agrees with some of the stuff, most of the stuff she's saying, doesn't mean he's a puppet.
Yeah.
Hey, that's people's opinions and let it be. But I know he's not like that. I've seen him outside Kabul mein, or I've seen him on the screen, and he's just a nice guy. He's just trying to maintain the relationship and play the game and be himself.
Yeah. And do you think because Rajiv knows a lot of people from outside, you know, things get difficult for him? Like he knows Karan Kundra. Karan is a very good friend. But, you know, there are people who are saying that, you know, you can't trust Karan because whatever he does, it is for the game after all, at, you know, end of the day. So he can't be trusted. There are people on the, you know, on the internet or on social media who feel that, you know, Karan Kundra does a lot of things which is just for the game and not for the relationships. What is your take? What do you think? Who are the people that Rajiv shouldn't blindly trust, and who are the people that he should actually stick to?
As you said, उसका रिश्ता करण के साथ बाहर का है, और Jay, so he's very savvy. He understands किसके साथ क्या बात करना है. Or I don't think there's anyone particular I can pinpoint and say उसके साथ मत, but I wish he didn't talk to him, or उसके साथ I wish बात नहीं कर रहे. Not like that. He understands even before he went. He had that understanding कि ये लोग मेरा पुराना friends है, और trust की बात है. Look, everyone's in there to play a game, right? Karan Kundra, Tejasvi, Jay, everyone's in there to play a game. So Rajiv is very headstrong. He's very mature and very understanding. You know, I think he's doing brilliantly. He's keeping his everyone happy and friends and relationships good, and he's not trying to burn bridges with anybody. So I think there's no one particular person I tell him that he needs to be careful of. And Karan Kundra, he's playing a game, and Raju knows him from outside, so I don't think that he has anything to worry about in that respect.
Yeah, but anyone, especially who can't be trusted, and he, you know, he should be careful of.
There are people, other contestants that have obviously shown that they're not trustworthy. Yeah, but I wouldn't particularly name anyone. I don't think anyone's directly doing anything to him, you know, to say, oh, you know, like this. So I don't think there's anyone particular that he shouldn't trust. No.
And what is your take on Shamita? You know, Shamita has bonded a very strong bond with Vishal. But obviously, we saw after Rajiv's entry, there were many things that Rajiv went and said inside, which we all as an audience, we wanted Shamita to be communicated, and he did that job. He was the messenger of you know, of a lot of Shamita's fans, but still Shamita has you know, twice she has gone ahead and proved that, you know, वो सिर्फ game के लिए रिश्ता नहीं बनाया था विशाल के साथ. She actually has some emotions and feelings towards him, you know, as a sister. Do you think she's doing a wrong thing by, you know, trusting him blindly and giving him chances and, you know, one after the other?
So Shamita Didi, from what I know of her, she's met her a few times. She's very sweet and she's very caring and forgiving. I don't think she's doing anything wrong by continuing her relationship with him. I think, you know, Rajiv told her कि ऐसा हुआ है, और he's explain के उसने ऐसा बोला है. But obviously, Shamita Didi is her own person in there. She has to play the game according to how she feels, and if she feels emotion and connection to him, then that's on her. But Rajiv ne theek kiya. Usne, as a brother, he said, "Yeah, situation aisa hai." I think he's still saying it to some extent. Yeah, aisa hai situation. When she comes back, I'm sure he'll tell her again. But it's up to Didi that if she wants to continue talking to him or not. And should she feel that, I don't think she's doing it for the game though. I think she genuinely has struck a relationship rapport with him. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a game, and Didi is very, very bright and intelligent. She understands what she's doing. And albeit Raju was just there to be the messenger, as you said, and how Didi continues has to be her thing. And he didn't go in and shake anything up or anything. Obviously, they know each other from before, so the dynamics have changed. But Didi maintained her relationship with everyone very well, and Raju just came in and was himself. And I think he's also started the relationships with people as well. So I think Didi should just do in her heart what she feels, and I think that's what she's doing.
And the entire, Afsana, Rajiv instance, how difficult was it for you guys, for the family? We saw a lot of contestants actually for the first time voicing out their opinion against Afsana and telling her that, you are going wrong. Even when Shamita was not there, we saw Jay taking a stand for Rajiv and, telling her that you're doing a wrong thing and you shouldn't do this. You're on national television. How difficult was it and how painful was it? Because we saw Rajiv crying because he considered, Afsana very good friend.
Yeah. So, mommy and I can speak for my mom a lot. बहुत upset थी वो. We were upset, both of us, that we felt bad not just for him but for her as well. बुरा लगा था. I'm not gonna lie. But I think when you look at it, take a step back in the context of the situation, misunderstanding tha. Yeah, task tha. Afsana was probably very emotional at the time. वो कितना weak थी घर में. और it must get to you a little bit being with the same people all the time, in a tense situation like that. Then I spoke to Mama and I said, Mom, come on, it's a game and you have to take it with a pinch of salt. And we just understood that it was a misunderstanding. मेरा भाई ऐसा नहीं है, and I think you can see just by looking at him, वो ऐसा नहीं है. वो इतना अच्छा है, more than anyone in the world, मस्तीखोर है, वो सब है, but ऐसा नहीं है को किसी को touch हो. That's just not happening ever, and I can vouch for him, never. But if they're playing a task, लगता है, come on, yeah. It was very upsetting. I'm not gonna lie, but we felt bad for Afsana as well. But you could see Raju ka reaction kya tha. Afsana baar thi, they told her to leave and Raju was upset. Oh my God, she's left because of me. He was sad. So it just shows his character. वो ऐसा बंदा नहीं है. Oh, कभी भी नहीं होगा. There was a complete misunderstanding. But as a family, there's been so many issues in the house, not just with him, but even Shamita Di and other contestants, and you get kind of emotionally invested and you feel like, oh my God. But then you have to think that game hai, or it's sad to see him cry, but you see the positives of it. He's funny, everyone's loving him, we're getting messages from everyone saying, bahut acha hai, bahut caring hai, bahut cute hai. So then you feel like, okay, highs and lows sort of thing. So we were okay.
As far as the game is concerned, who do you think Rajiv should make an alliance with to go ahead in the game? Because we see आते जाते हर कोई चाहता है कि राजीव उनके तरफ आए, उनको कभी शमिता से दूर रहने के लिए बोलता है, कभी उनको बोलता है कि उनके इन्फ्लुएंस में मत आओ, बट खुद दूसरों को कंट्रोल करते हैं लोग. And Rajiv is very smartly using his own brain and not getting influence. What do you think as far as the way game is going? Who you think he should make an alliance with? Someone जिसको वो ट्रस्ट करके आगे जा सकते हैं.
I think the way he's going, वो जैसे खेला, he should just play. He's not. सब लोग उसको कहते हैं कि शमिता दी से दूर है और ये. He's not listening because my brother is very intelligent, and he's playing with his heart. He's not playing कि मैं उसको धोखा देकर उसके साथ जाऊँ, उसके धोखा दे. There's a lot of that going on. वो ऐसा नहीं है, and I think that's going to be his trait. And I can vouch for this, that वो दिल से कर रहा है. So he's just doing the right thing. He's a very righteous human being. उसको लगता है कि ये सही है, ये सही नहीं है. So he's doing the right thing, but I don't think he should form alliances with anyone in there. I think they've already formed their alliances, and you can see by the way the game's going that everyone's desperate to kind of click here and click here. And you can see my brother's not doing that. He's just like, okay, I have a bond with you, and I have a bond with you, and I have a bond with you, and I like you as a person, and we get on well. And he's enjoying his experience more than, wanting to hurt people or crack people and disrespect anyone. So the way he's going, I think he's doing absolutely perfectly. There's not one particular person I would say he needs to form an alliance with. Him and Shamita Didi already have that alliance relationship. But him and Neha are getting very close, and I like that. I think she's a really nice lady. And even though him and Prateek had that issue, they seem to be getting on very well. Even Nishant, they have their banter going on continuously. So he's formed his relationships. Alliances wise, I wouldn't even, I think he's going right, playing with his emotions. And that's showing through, and the public seem to be loving it because we're getting so much good response. So alliance wise, I wouldn't, and I think he should carry on playing the way he's playing and being a righteous person.
Apart from Rajiv and Shamita, who according to you are playing an honest game and a clean game without backstabbing anyone?
Is there anyone? I joke. I think Prateek is pretty on your face, he just says it straight up, and I rate him for that because he says it. He just doesn't doesn't care. He said it, and I like that about him. So I think he's playing an honest game. He doesn't do this kujli behind. I haven't seen him do that. He, even if it causes jhagra bhi ho jayenge, he still says it the way he feels. So I think he's someone that Raju should look at properly, that he doesn't do all this behind, like Vishal and others. So I think he's also someone who's very playing from his heart, that okay, and Jay as well, I think he plays quite honestly. He doesn't do all this, even about the alliance thing.
And he is not part of any group, Jay.
Yeah, I like that. And
that's why probably he's alone in the game, in the show, because what we can hear from the recent episodes, Nishant has gone ahead and selected Prateek and Simba for the VIP room, and all this while he has been promising that Jay and Prateek are my two favorites, but he went ahead and selected Simba.
That just shows, without me having to say, who's doing what in the house. And I feel like Jay, I liked him from before the show. I've always kind of had like this, he seems like such a nice guy, and Raju's always spoken very highly of him. And he's being very straightforward. Jhagra hota hai to jhagra hota hai. But he's being true to his relationships. He's being true to himself. I'm sure he's making his kids and his wife very proud. And yeah, him and Prateek, they're being pretty straightforward, and I like them. But I don't have to voice who's not being like that. It's evident. But yeah, Raju's forming relationships with them to a bit more because they're like similar to him, and they're very straightforward. They're not, even if Jay's alone in the house, he's being true to himself. And what's wrong with that? And they always say the good ones win in the end. So let's hope it's true for this as well.
Yeah. Any message to the Rajiv fans who are rooting for him, who are voting and supporting him?
Guys, he's my little baby brother. What can I say? बहुत अच्छा है वो. बहुत पागल है. मस्ती बहुत करता है. I've got two little kids. One's my daughter's 8 and my son is 5. And oh my God, when you put them together, it's militant. But there's so much more to come. Like, he's warming up now. It's like he's getting there. So guys, just watch this space. He's so funny. He's so entertaining. You saw with Afsana, he's just the most comical human being. Like, he makes us laugh all day. There's so much more to come. Keep loving him. Keep giving us and him the support. We've received so much love already. And we're overwhelmed with the support we've got. And he's from England, we're from London, we live here, but our hearts are this. We're Indians at the end of the day. And it's nice to see support from the Indian nation giving us NRIs that love, because we are Indian at the end of the day. We just don't live there, but our hearts are this. So it's so nice to see people from India messaging me saying, your brother's so sweet, he's so cute, blah, blah, blah. It's lovely. And please continue to do that. Vote for him. He doesn't need to leave the house yet. He's got so much more to give. Keep voting for him. Give him your love. Like, he will, prove to the world how amazing he is. My mom and dad, my dad's not with us anymore, but my mom, she's driven alone to make us, good people. And I couldn't be prouder that Raju's showing the world that without a father figure for so many years, but since 2004, he's become this amazing human being. So he's doing us proud, and I hope the whole of India can see that and they keep voting for him. And thank you everyone so much.
Thank you so much, Deepa. It was pleasure talking to you, and I hope Rajiv stays ahead and goes till the finale at least.
And then we can come to India. Can't wait.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.
Same here. Bye bye.